Hey Leslie, so you click here on PiratesNet. I can't show you the whole thing because I don't have an active class. Go to faculty, log in, grading. I'm going to go to my summer class because I can show you better. So you go to grading here. I think you know all this, but I'm just going through the steps. And then you go to final grade. Final grade. And then you see I gave him an incomplete, and that turns to an F if he doesn't complete the work by December 30th. So that's how it looks after it's done. But it should just be, in that list of options. See, what else did I want to show you? Well, I think that was all I wanted to show you. But anyway, it sounds like you're going on vacation too, so I hope you have an awesome vacation. Oh, I know what I wanted to show you. So to get the form, you go to Faculty and Staff Forms, and then it's right down here, incomplete grade. This form must be submitted 72 hours after final grades are posted for the semester, and etc. And you should be able to just do it on your computer. Hopefully you have your computer on or with you. If you don't, I'm sure I could help you get this submitted. If you don't, or Daisy or Natasha could help you get it submitted. Just let me know if I can help in any way. Okay.